Good day everyone. This is my milestone 2 transpose speech manuscript. Planting Hope, Solving Hunger Through Sustainable Farming. An informative speech by Jasper B. Javier. Imagine waking up not knowing if you'll eat today. Sadly, this is the reality of million Filipinos. Hunger is just a health issue, it's a national crisis. Despite our rich natural resources, food insecurity remains a serious challenge in the Philippines. But what if the solution is already in our hands? Literally, in our soil? Today, I'd like to talk about how sustainable agriculture can help solve food insecurity in our country, and how we can all be part of this change. Let's begin with the facts. According to recent global hunger reports, the Philippines still face a serious level of hunger. Million families cannot afford 3 meals a day. Let's take a look at the chart showing hunger trends in the Philippines from 2020 to 2024. Even with the economy recovery efforts, the problem persists clearly. Access to food is not enough. We need sustainable solution. One promising approach is sustainable agriculture. This refers to farming practices that are friendly to the environment, use local resources wisely, and promote long-term food insecurity. Unlike traditional farming, which we can harm the land and uses harmful chemicals, sustainable agriculture prioritize soil health, water efficiency, and biodiversity. Let's compare the two. Traditional farming relies heavily on the synthetic fertilizers, monocropping, and high water usage. On the other hand, sustainable farming uses organic compost, crop rotation, and natural pest control. It helps farmers save money while also caring for the land. When communities adopt sustainable practices, food production improves, costs go down, the land stays healthy. One successful example is the Department of Agriculture. Department of Agriculture Urban Gardening Program. Families across cities grow vegetables in small spaces like backyards, rooftop, and recycled containers. These gardens provide food, reduce expenses, and even create income. To solve hunger, we don't just need more food. We need better ways to produce it. We must support sustainable farming, buy local produce, advocate for green policies, and encourage community gardens. If we plant seed today, we will harvest hope tomorrow. Let's go back to our roots and grow a better food secure future together. And that's all. Thank you.